Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I know you guys have been waiting for this for a very long time, and this will be the practical video on how to build your landing page with AI. And of course, I told you guys in our introduction video that we are going to use a couple of AI tools, and there's some websites that has been built for us, and everything that we are going to use in this video are completely free. So the first action that we are going to take now is to get our prompt generated, so which will be ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to get our prompt generated. I believe before you want to start building your project or your landing page, you will have something that you want to sell, or you have a client that want to sell something, or that want to build it for something. So that is what you will need to do. So let me show you something. You will see at this place called product. This is the prompt that we are going to use to get the actual prompt that we will use to build our landing page in Google Studio. Okay, you will say products that I want to sell. From that 200, copy and paste ChatGPT, make.com, Zapier, automation, kinikon. This is the product that I want to sell. So if you are going to be using this particular prompt, you will need something specifically that you want to be doing. Maybe for your services, maybe for your product, maybe you are building it for someone else. So this is where you are going to paste it, or you are going to write it. Okay, you will remove this my own, and you will put your own. So with that being said, let me copy the entire prompt and take it back to ChatGPT. Okay, I need you to focus on everything that I've written here. You can see you are a professional website builder, prompt engineer, Google Studio AI. This specific prompt is for Google Studio AI. It's not for Claude, it's not for Gemini specifically. So if you use this kind of prompt that's generated by ChatGPT in Claude, you may actually not get the same result. This one is built for Google Studio AI alone. And you can see your task is to write a master Google Studio AI prompt to build a react and fully functional landing page for my product with live social proof. If someone buy the moment they landed there, it will continue. Okay, so you can see I asked them to put a different region. You may decide to be using Nigeria as your own. You may decide to be using overseas. You may decide to be using all over the world. So the moment you land on my page, you will see like some people enroll from somewhere. Ebola enroll from Nigeria and from Lagos. Someone enroll. That is what I mean by social proof. So I will send it. So once I send it, and I will wait for ChatGPT to do the job for me. Okay. If you don't have ChatGPT account, you can go and watch the video I paste in the description below to learn how to create it. So I'm not going to go through that straight. Now the next action on our list is to open your browser. I'm using Chrome. You will type Google Studio AI. Okay. Once you type Google Studio AI, this is what we show. Okay. When you press on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, Google Studio will automatically log you in, just like Gemini. It will automatically log you in with your Google account. Now, the next step is to go to setting. Do not paste first. Go to setting. Make sure it is on Google Gemini Pro. Google Gemini Pro latest. Make sure it is there, not Flash. Just put it on Pro. Okay. This place, you can copy it now. You can copy this one. From now on, you are my ruthless mentor. Don't sugarcoat anything. If anything is, we call it trash, and you can copy this. This one is to get best result from AI. You can copy it, and you paste it there. Make sure you save it. Okay. And the next thing is to paste your prompt. And now I'm just going to paste the prompt that I collected from ChatGPT. Okay. Then it started the job. It started the job. Started the job. Meanwhile, I want you to understand that your own might be different from my own. the design might be different, everything might be different because we are not actually building the same thing. So I'm just going to wait for a while. I'm just going to wait and let it do the job finish. Then I will come back to it. Now, if you check this preview, Google Studio is giving us a design. So your job is to pick one and it will automatically design it like the way it is. So I'm just going to select, I'm going to select the one I want. I don't actually know because all of them are just good. Maybe I should just pick this first one. Okay, let me pick this first one. I select this design. Now Google Studio is working. Let's wait until it is done. So I need you guys to pay close attention, and you have to wait. You need to be very, very patient when you are dealing with Google Studio AI. It's going to take a while for that thing to be fully built. Once it is built, all you have to do is to make sure that every single thing that you need is actively working. The one that you found that is not working, your job is to tell Google Studio AI that this is not working. Face it. This is how I want it. Do it like this. Okay. This is how I need it. Do it like this. You just give instruction. So if you do it and it's not working perfectly the way I want, I'm just going to give it a prompt that will let it do it the way I actually want. And what I am certified, I'm really, really certified. I can export it to where I want it to be, either Vercel or Netlify. So for this one, I'm using Netlify. We are going to export it to Netlify. But before we get to Netlify, we will create a GitHub account. We will create a GitHub account. It is GitHub that will help us controlling the version. If we make any changes here and we save it to GitHub, we don't need to go and re-upload it to Netlify or Vercel. Okay, we can actually do it automatically from GitHub. Once you stage it and then save it, you commit everything, it will deploy automatically to where your website is. Now it has fully built that thing. It's applying the theme. You can see it's applying the theme that I picked. Okay, so your own might be different. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to input video and other things. Okay, if there is a need of video that you actually want to add your video, the first step is to record your video. Once you record your video, upload it on YouTube as public or unlisted, not private. All right, unlisted or public. Then grab your sharing link and tell Google Studio where you want it to be, or you can just let it decide by itself to put it in the right place and the way it converts a lot. Okay, and it's going to do that job for you. Trust me, this is what I have used over and over again. If you watch my video, you have seen the things that are built with this thing called Google Studio AI. So let's wait till it finish building what it want to be building. So guys, it seems that it has finished the work. You can see it stopped. So let's preview what we have. Oh my god. Flash says get automation vote for $49. Register. Okay, Anderson claim offer. Click on get access. Okay. So these are the things that I'm telling you. Okay, you can see now. You can see it actually automatically give me bank account. So the problem here is that I do not include my bank details before I paste the prompt there. So I'm just going to do that one now. I will be the one to do it. I will tell, okay, oh, put my bank account here. Okay, put my bank account here. All right. You can see this is about. This is about. This is policies. This is policy. This is terms of services. You can see. You can see this is disclaimer. This is disclaimer. Any revenues of time service. This is everything is working. Status optimized. You can see. You can see when we move back, still 200 AI automation system. Stop doing robot work. Get exact blueprint. AI prompt and automation marketing, sales and HRO. admin call instantly. So you can see all these things. You can see stop paying consultants. I can even change this one if I don't like it. System, AI, workflow, everything. So I can change this one. You can see the testimony page, the question that people ask, no coding required. These are copy and paste blueprint file for make.com and Zambia. Are the tools free to use? Many workflows run on free tiers of Zambia, make.co, do high volume, need a standard plan. Is this a subscription? No, this is one-time purchase. You get access to all the 200 blueprints. Okay. Our deliver right after your payment confirmed via WhatsApp, you will receive the vault link immediately. Okay, stop working like a robot. Okay, get entire 200 system automated vault, transform your operational brokerage into competitive advantage. Claim offer. So when you press on claim offer, it will take them to here. Wow, it will take them to here, and they are going to pay it. Now, I have a problem here. If I'm going to say this to Nigeria people, I have a big problem here. Nigeria cannot pay in dollar, okay? Nigeria cannot pay in dollar. I have to make this a Nigeria currency, okay? So what I have to do, I'm going to change two things at the same time, or three things, okay? The first one, I'm showing you this so you will know. First time, say change the currency to change all the currency to naira, okay, and replace the account details with my own below. Very simple. Okay, with my own below. I will type it. Let me go to my OPay and bring my account number. I have grabbed my account number. I have pasted it here, and I will send it. Now, if you are selling for people that are outside country, you want to sell them, you don't need to change this thing to naira. So, and there is another thing I want to tell you guys is that I prefer, it is good if you want to be selling to international to use a paystack. All right. If you don't know what paystack means, you can let me know. Paystack is a payment platform that help you collect payments. You can use dollar, you can use naira globally. All right. So you can use paystack instead of them paying transfer. They will click a link that will direct them to where they can choose to pay by paper or maybe by the other payment option that is available. Okay, it is just a via paystack. So paystack will collect the payment, and on your dashboard you can withdraw to Nigeria on paystack. And if you want me to do that, I'm going to make video on that, but it will not be in these sections, okay? Because me, I have not registered my business. I'm just selling manually. So you need to register on CAC before you get access to using paystack. So, and I hope that has been clear. So I'm just going to send it. Let me tell about the last correction. So last correction, I'm going to, lastly, the social proof is too much, okay? It's too much. Give it a few 1 minute to pop up. So 1 minute to pop up after the first one that pop up in less than 10 seconds that they landed on my page. I'm showing you this now so you can see how it works. I'm going to send it. I will send it and I will wait for AI to do the job done. Meanwhile, you can see what I'm doing. This one is actively working. There's nothing wrong with it. Update for 2026 GPT-4 make.com. Okay. Also, you can see this one also. You can make it to be center. It is one side now. This one side. You can also make it to be center. You just have to tell AI to do that for you. I think it's updated now. Let's get access. You can see 29 naira, 29,000 800. You can see this is my payment back account. So if I press I have paid now, you see what it bring. Your orders is secured. To finalize access and receive your private blueprint vault, you must send a screenshot of your payment you received to our verification team. Now, if I click on send proof on WhatsApp, it will take me directly to my own DM. And that is what it do for you also. That is what it will do to your clients. It will take me directly to my DM. You can see. I'm here. Please send me a link to your community. Oh my God. You can see. So now, any changes that you want to make, maybe you want to change whatever you feel like you want to change there. Tell Google AI. And then it's going to do it for you. Now, let's talk about GitHub. Okay? Let's talk about GitHub. If you click on these three dots, I'm using phone so you guys will not tell me that it's because I don't have laptop. That's why I can't do it. If you press on the three buttons below, you press on setting, you will scroll like this. You will see GitHub. Yours will tell you to create account with GitHub with your Google account that is logged in your Google Studio page. All right. So your own is to create account. You press on login or sign up. You complete it. Then it will take you back. Now, once you take you back, your own is to name reposition. You put name in it. I'm just going to say 200. I'm just going to say AI vote system. AI vote system. Let me put it that way. Okay. I'll put it on private. Okay. Leave it on private. You can just put a little description. I can say 200 AI vote blueprint. Okay. You see. And I will create GitHub repository. I'll create GitHub repository. Now I'm signing. I'm signing now. I'm signing. So this is what happened. I'm going to click on stage and commit all changes. I'm going to wait for that thing to load. Now, the next action is to go to Netlify. Go to Netlify. You can see Netlify. When you go to Netlify, press this one. Now, it will log me in because I have logged in already. Okay, so it will log me in because I have logged in already. So, and as you can see, you will see publish. This is green. You will see it over here. It is green also. So when I click on it like this, it will open my site. I can share this to anything. I can even use this on my Facebook page. All right. I can even use this to run ad, and it will work perfectly fine without any issue. Okay. So let's do a quick setup. Click on quick setup. You will see your project name. You can change it or you can leave it there. You can skip it. All right. Now, this is where I'm saying you will see add your own domain. Add a domain that you own. Now, if you want me to talk about how this domain of things work, just let me know, because we are using a subdomain now, not every domain. All right. Every domain will contain www.yourowname or your business name.com. Or we are using someone else's domain here, but our own domain is also with it. So it make it www.ourdomain.that-person domain. Okay, so it's two domain that is working together here. So they call it subdomain. Okay, so if you want to use your own, you have to buy it. A website like a GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger. These are the websites that are selling domain, and they're going to give you at a very cheap price. I mean, if you have money to buy it. Okay, as you can see, someone at 150,000 naira per year, 200,000 per year, or less than. Something like Hostinger now is giving free year if you buy ones from them. The first year will be free. Then the next year they will start deducting money from the one that you pay. That means 2 years ahead. Okay, so it's good like that. So this will be all for today. We will move to the next step next time.